Hello and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In this video, we will be learning about the filter prototype method of an array. In the previous video, we have learned about the find index. Basically, what is the difference between find and filter? What does find will do? Find will only return the first matched element, right? But in case of filter, it will return the all matched elements. So this is the main and a very massive difference between the find and filter, right? So as you can see right over here, I have written that it will return all the match element in an array passed in test, right? In case not found, the find method will return undefined, right? If you remember. But in case of the filter, the find method will return an empty array in case none of the condition passed. So how can we implement the filter condition? Let's suppose we do have John, another object with name of David, and another object with the name of Jane. So what I want to do is I want to filter out all the elements that contain the name Jane. So I can come over here and write arr.filter. This filter will take our callback function as a parameter, and let's say well dot name is triple equal to Jane. If I come over here and wrap it up inside console.log, then as you can see that it has returned me the two elements, right? The first with Jane, name Jane, and the second one with name Jane as well. And like I told you, in case none of the tests pass, then it will return an empty array. As you can see right over here, if I write Jesney, then it returns an empty array because Jesney our array does not contain any of the object with the name of Jesney. So filter is a very useful method when you're working with JavaScript. So that's it from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.